very, very effective, unlike any other gel. And so I knew right away we had a different kind of product. And an entomologist, been in pest control about 35 years. Today I wanted to talk to you about a product that is kind of a silver bullet in pest control. It really is, and not a lot of people know about it. So the product I'm talking about is Detour rodent gel. It's very, very effective. If used correctly, very, very effective, unlike any other gel. And so I knew right away we had a different kind of product because most gels we're out here in the Las Vegas heat, and doesn't get a whole lot more brutal when gels are exposed to the sun, especially on rooftops and things like that. So very, very impressive gel. A NASA grade gel, doesn't break down. It's like 700 degrees. You can put it in water, it'll hold its form. Just crazy, doesn't freeze. So highly effective gel. This company came up with the product Detour, which is specifically for rodents. And I just got to tell you, even though it's amazing for rodents, people don't realize rodents communicate. They'll talk to each other, and they're highly effective at it. Once, it's not just that they'll get in the gel, and then once they go back to the harborages and spread the gel to the other rats, and of course it's like icy hot on them. It's just capsaicin in this NASA grade gel. And we've known capsaicin works on all types of pests for many, many years. And capsaicin, you have a food grade product that you can apply anywhere. Very, very easy to apply, that will simply push them out of the building. I mean, once the rats get into this, or mice, they get it on them, it gets on their feet, it gets on their hair, and they start to try to groom themselves, and it just gets worse. It's like sort of putting icy hot in your mouth. That's what happens, and the rodents flee. They just literally vacate the building. It's an unbelievable thing. In some situations, we've used it where we had to trap, where we actually had to use traps, but we were having a difficult time. We used it, and we did EPA studies on this and wrote extensive reporting on it to prove that we could corral the rodents using this gel. So we could actually push them into areas we wanted to make it easier to trap. That was highly, highly effective.